Hi friends, welcome to AWS Devops sessions. In this session, we are going to learn about how we can remotely trigger builds in Jenkins. Okay, right now I had logged into the Jenkins page. There are no jobs currently running on my Jenkins server. I am going to create one new job and the job name is job 5 and I'm going to use the freestyle project. Just click on OK. Then the job file will be created, and once it has been created, just go to build steps. There you need to add build step. Just click on the execute shell. I just want to make the simple step to build, so that's why I'm going to select the execute shell. I just want to create touch file 5 because of it is job file. Now I'm going to create touch file 5. Okay, save. Generally we know by clicking on this build now option, by manually I will be able to make the build right now, but instead of doing manually I just want to make the build with the remotely. Okay, means from remote I will be able to build the job. So how that will be able to do that? For that purpose, just click on configure. Here you will find out the option like I'm going to show it to you. Here if you go to the build triggers, here the first option if you observe, triggers build remotely. Just click this option and here you can mention the token name anything. Here I'm going to mention the token name 5. Okay, the token name is 5. And if you observe here, use the following URL to trigger the build remotely. Initially what I need to mention, Jenkins URL. Okay, just copy the entire link. Okay, just open the notepad. Here, yes, initially I need to mention the Jenkins URL, then after that the token name. Right now what the token name I had set? Token 5. Token 5. Okay, just minimize it and save it. If you observe, this is the Jenkins URL. Okay, just copy it, open the notepad. Here what is the Jenkins URL? I'm going to type, remove one backslash. Here this up to this is Jenkins URL, and then after that the job name is 5 and it is going to build. The token number is token 5. We had manually set this token 5. So just copy the content, minimize it, and if you see here, right now there are no builds. Okay, if I copy paste and save here, then automatically one build will be initiated here. Just have a look on it. It will be initiated soon. Okay, just refresh it, just wait for some time. It is going to replicate the same. Otherwise we had done some error. Okay, here everything we had mentioned. Okay, fine. Just refresh it and check. Had observed two builds are there, and if you again click in it, again it will be built. The third build has been initiated or not? Yes, it has been initiated. So I had entered it 3 times, so that's why 3 builds has been generated. Okay, in this way we can be able, in remotely we can be able to trigger the builds. Okay, hope you guys understood this session. Okay, do not forget to subscribe my channel. This is my humble request, and at the same time do not forget to hit the bell icon as well, because of whenever I have uploaded the recent videos, it will get a notification to you. Then you will have the updated things every time. So that's why I'm going to ask you hit the bell icon. Okay. Thank you guys for joining into my session. I will meet up you with the new topic in the next session. Until signing off, thank you. Bye bye.